In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a song in your library. If you need to make quick updates to a song you've already uploaded, this process is simple and only takes a moment. Whether you want to correct the title, change the cover image, or adjust the song's public visibility, everything can be done directly from your library. To begin, open your library and find the song you want to update. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct track, especially if you have several songs with similar names or multiple versions of the same release. Once you've found the right one, click on the target song inside your library to open its options. From there, look for the option menu connected to that song. In that menu, select Edit Song. This will open the editing screen where you can make the changes you need. Depending on what you want to update, you may edit the song title, replace the cover image, or change the public visibility settings. If you're updating the title, make sure the wording is accurate and formatted the way you want your audience to see it. If you're changing the cover image, it's a good idea to use a clear, high-quality image that matches the style of your release. And if you're adjusting public visibility, double-check whether you want the song to be visible to others or kept private, since that setting affects who can access it. Before saving, quickly review all your changes so you don't miss anything. Even small edits, like a typo in the title or the wrong image, can affect how your song appears in your collection. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid having to go back and edit it again later. Once everything looks right, click Save to confirm your changes. After that, your updates should be applied to the song. And that's it. Editing a song in your library is a fast and easy way to keep your music organized and presented the way you want. If you're managing multiple tracks, staying on top of these details can make your library cleaner, more professional, and easier to navigate.